Welcome back to Wittenberg Academy's Latin 3 course. We are ready for Lesson 89, Deponent Verbs. Deponent verbs have the form of the passive voice with the meaning in the active. So, sequor, I follow, not I am followed. Verbs of this class are found in all four conjugations. They have the participles of both voices, present, future, perfect, and gerundive. All these are active in meaning, except the gerundive, which is passive in meaning as well as in form. The gerundive, remember, just indicates that purpose, not purpose really, the idea of obligation. So, it's kind of its own thing. All the rest of it, what this means is, when you learn these verbs, so look at your vocabulary, conor, for example, I try or I attempt, that's passive in form. That's present, indicative, active, first person, singular, passive. But you just have to know it's a deponent verb. So litor, I rejoice, not I was rejoiced, and so forth. So you memorize these. The form you memorize them in the vocabulary is passive in form. And so hopefully that will make you remember that it's a deponent. But it's just part of memorizing this vocabulary. Please note on your vocabulary card, this is a deponent verb. So conor, then on the back it should say I try or I attempt, and then in parentheses, deponent. So litor, I rejoice, imitor, I imitate, mentior, I lie, miror, I wonder at, and sequor, I follow. Alright, some translations. Laetatis sum facilitate navigationis tuae. Laetatis sum felicitate navigationis tuae. So our verb is laetatis sum. Now in form, that of course is perfect passive, but it's perfect active here. So I was happy. I rejoiced. I rejoiced at the felicity, at the happiness of your voyage. 2. Tecum loqui iam diu cupimus. Tecum loqui iam diu cupimus. Oh, and he didn't give you loquor. But loquor is a verb you'll need to add. It means to speak. So, cupimus, we desire to speak with you at long last. Iam diu, at long last. We desire to speak with you at long last. 3. Nona putas illum puerum mentiri. Nona putas illum puerum mentiri. All right, so putas is our main verb, second person singular. You think, or nona, do you not think? Do you not think this boy to lie? Do you not think that this boy is lying? Don't you think that this boy is lying? So again, it looks like it's passive in form, mentiri, but it's active in meaning because it's a deponent. 3. Sane puto eum et alterum mentiri. Sane puto eum et alterum mentiri. Indeed, I very much, I think him and the other to lie. Again, I think him and the other are, I think he and the other one are lying. That's what we'd say in English. 4. Helvetii per nostrum provinciam interfacra conibantur. Helvetii per nostrum provinciam interfacra conibantur. They were trying. Who were trying? The Helvetians were trying to facere iter, to make a journey, to make a path, to travel through our province. 5. Tuam tarditatum in penso faciendo sane miramur. Tuam tarditatum in penso faciendo sane miramur. So miramur is our main verb. It's passive in form, active in meaning, because we know that miror is a deponent. So we wonder at, we are surprised at your tardiness in penso faciendo sane. So sane miramur. We wonder a great deal at your tardiness in penso faciendo, in completing the exercise, in doing the exercise. Remember, the gerundive can follow prepositions in this way. So in doing the assignment, we greatly wonder at your tardiness. Okay, so much for deponents. Very simple. Next time, lesson 90, last one in this term.